In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to deactivate Messenger from Facebook. If this is something that you want to learn today, then make sure you watch it until the end without skipping any part. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open up your Facebook app. From here, tap on the three lines on the top right, which is the menu. From your menu, you just need to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. From your settings, just tap on the search bar on the top and then search for access and control. Once you search for it, tap on the access and control option and tap on temporarily deactivate or permanently delete, and make sure that you choose the deactivate account option. Tap on continue to account deactivation. Next, you'll need to type in the password of your account and then tap on continue. Choose a reason of deactivating your Facebook account. It could be any reason, and tap on continue. Now lastly, it's gonna ask you if you want to log out instead of deactivate. You skip this part, scroll down, and you'll see an option of reactivating your account. By default, 7 days will be selected. So if you don't want to reactivate your account automatically, tap on don't reactivate automatically and then tap on continue. Now this process will deactivate your Facebook account and also will deactivate your Messenger. But however, in some cases, the Messenger won't be deactivated. So you'll need to check it out for yourselves if Messenger is deactivated or not. If it is not deactivated, you'll also need to deactivate Messenger within the Messenger app. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.